Hello, this is JP Multi-Tacs, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a light with a GFCI. First, we run our 3 cables number 12 American wire gauge, ground, neutral, and phase. Then we run the ground or green wire to our first point, then we splice and connect it to the green terminal of the GFCI. After we splice and connect the ground wire to the ground terminal of the single pole switch, then we run the ground to the light. After we connect the neutral wire on the line side of the GFCI on the silver screw. Then we connect the phase on the line side of the GFCI on the golden screw. Now we connect the neutral wire to the load side of the GFCI on the silver screw, which is going straight to the light. Following by load wire from the GFCI, which will become hot and go to the gold screw of the single pole switch. Last, we connect the return from the single pole switch to the light. Now reset the GFCI, and if you follow my instruction, your light and switch will be protected by the GFCI. And if something goes wrong with your switch or your light, the GFCI will detect it and automatically will turn off your light. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and press the like button to keep bringing more contents.